In this video, we're going to see how ADC works. So ADC works in the same way as ACI. In case of ACI, we provide an 8-bit data, while in case of ADC, we provide a register value. So basically, ADC is in register addressing mode, while ACI is in immediate addressing mode, but they both perform same data. They add the desired value with accumulator plus carry if available. So say I have a value let me write this again. I have a value a comma ffh. I load another value b comma 01h. If I add them, then the sum in accumulator is 00 and then the carry flag is set. Now if I move another value c comma 01h and then I perform ADCC, what this does is it adds a, which is 00, plus c, which is 01, and then plus this particular carry bit which is 01, and then the result is 02h in the accumulator. So this is how ADC works. ADC and ACI is the same thing. ADC is in register addressing mode, while ACI is in immediate addressing mode.